What is this?
A E
क्या लिखा मैंने? ही। ठीक है, ये fine. Tell me what is this?
V
Okay. What is this?
E
Hi. 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 That. And tell me what is this? She. अब मैं ये चारों वर्ड्स दोबारा लिखती हूँ जो जो मैंने आपको अभी बोले. एक सेकंड. क्या क्या बोले मैंने आपको? Look here. First word that I told you to read was he. Then I told you to read this word. Okay, then I am telling you, I think I wrote she. I also wrote hi. ठीक है, अब ये वाला वर्ड पढ़ो. What am I writing now? All right. So this is go, and what is this? So now you tell me, all of you, you read it very, very correctly. But what sound is this E making here? Is it a short sound or a long sound?
Long sound.
What about this E? What about this E? What about this?
Long sound.
What about this O? What about O? All of these vowels, they are making their long sound.
Long sound.
Now tell me if I put this consonant. Now how will you read this word?
Hen.
And if I put a T over here, how will you read this word? Wet. If I put a T over here, how will you read this word?
Shed.
Shed. If I put a M over here, how will you read this word?
Him.
If I put D, then
God.
if I put B, then अब आप मुझे बताइए कि वावल साउंड चेंज हो गया क्या? पहले लॉन्ग था, राइट? was he, but when I added a consonant, ये short बन गया ए. Hen. Am I right? Am I right or no? Am I right?
Yes.
It was V, but when I added a T to it, it became a. Wet.
Wet.
Okay. Now this is
Good
D.
evening, ma'am.
Good evening, बच्चे. When I added a D to she, it became shed. So the sound changed again. Short sound. This was high. When I added it changed to E. Short sound में change हो गया. Him. The long sound of O changed to O. God.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Zidan. Then so changed to sob. तो अब आपने ये क्या नोटिस किया इन वर्ड्स में? बताओ, what did you notice? What all you noticed?
Short sound.
Yeah, now they are making short sound, right?
Yes.
But पहले कौन से sound थे? Long sounds थे.
Long sound.
And if you hum all these words, hen, wet, shed, him, God, sob, they are all one hum words. ये सारे कितने hum words हैं? Syllables हैं इनमें? One syllable words. One hum.
One.
अब आप मुझे एक word और लिख रही हूँ, ये पढ़ के बताना, ठीक है?
कौन सा word है? Masi, music. Music.
Okay, music है. अच्छा, if this is music, can you hum this word and tell me how many hums in the word music?
Two times.
Two hums. Okay, so first hum is mu. एंड द सेकेंड हम इज जिक, तो यहाँ से इस वर्ड को मैं डिवाइड करती हूँ. Now just listen very carefully. If this first, let me break the word and write it here. मैंने यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पार्ट यहाँ लिख दिया और सेकंड पार्ट नीचे लिख दिया. ठीक है, अब आप मुझे ये बताओ कि what sound is this you making, short or long? You, mew,
Long. Long. Long.
long sound. You. Shlok, what is the short sound of you? It's a. Sound क्या होता है?
Short. Long.
हाँ, तो ये यहाँ होता है. तो अब क्या होता है, अब सुनो, व्हाट आर ओपन सिलेबल्स. जब भी कोई वावल ऐसे, जब आपने सिलेबल में डिवाइड किया वर्ड को, इसके बाद कोई नहीं है इसको रोकने के लिए, इफ देयर इज नो कॉन्सोनेंट आफ्टर इट, तो वो अपना नेम बोलता है. यू, नोबडी कैन स्टॉप इट टू से इट्स नेम. इसको बोलते हैं ओपन सिलेबल, जहां पे वावल ओपन है एंड दिस वावल कैन से इट्स नेम. बट यहाँ पे देखो, ये क्या है, जिक. ठीक है, यहाँ पे इस वावल के बाद क्या है, कॉन्सोनेंट है, टी है. तो जब वावल के बाद एक कॉन्सोनेंट उसको रोक देता है कि नहीं, तुम भाग भाग के अपना नेम नहीं बोल सकते हो, उसको बोलते हैं क्लोज सिलेबल. और ये सिलेबल जो है, ये अपना शॉर्ट साउंड बोलता. ठीक, अभी कुछ नहीं लिखना, तो सुनो, बात सुनो मैम की. या वापस जा रही हूं मैं यहाँ पे. अब यहाँ देखो, लेट मी इरेज दीज अगेन. अब ध्यान देना है आपने, ठीक है. जब ये वर्ड्स के बाद कॉन्सोनेंट नहीं है, तो ये अपना कौन सा साउंड बोल रहे हैं, लॉन्ग साउंड्स बोल रहे हैं, राइट. ही, ओपन सिलेबल. क्यों? क्योंकि ये जो ई है, अच्छा मैं यहाँ लिख के बताती हूँ, देखो इधर. ही, e, this e says that there is nobody after me. मेरे बाद यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है, so I can say my name. E, I will run and say my name. I will just run saying my name. E, okay. So you read it as he. इसको बोलते हैं open. This syllable is open बिकॉज वो ओपन है, तो वो अपना लॉन्ग साउंड ले सकता है. बट जैसे ही इस ई के बाद हमने कोई भी कॉन्सोनेंट लगा दिया, लाइक दिस ई वॉज रनिंग ना, अब हम इसे भगाना नहीं है. दिस ई इज नाउ क्लोज्ड बाय अ कॉन्सोनेंट. ओके, अब ई क्या हो गया, ई बिकेम क्लोज्ड बाय अ कॉन्सोनेंट. अब वो भाग नहीं सकता. ठीक है, तो जब वो भाग नहीं सकता है, इफ इट कैनॉट रन, इट विल मेक इट शॉर्ट साउंड. ए, 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 एन. सो ह, ए, न, हेन. इसको क्या बोलते हैं, क्लोज्ड सिलेबल. क्या बोलते हैं,
Close
तो
syllable.
ई क्लोज हो गया, ओपन है. थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ में आया.
Yes.
चलो अब मेरे साथ नोटबुक वर्क करेंगे. Just write down on a fresh page. We are going to write down number 1. पहले number 1 लिखो और इसी word को करो. ठीक है, write down, और you can draw bigger if you want, और अगर लिखना है तो लिख भी सकते हो. He, then you show that this E can run saying its name. उसको अपना नेम शाउट करना है. उसके बाद कोई नहीं है, तो वो भाग जाएगा और अपना नेम.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is called open syllable. E, open syllables क्या करते हैं, make a long sound sign also above. Open syllable says their names. So this is open. आप इसी के नीचे नंबर 2 नहीं डालना, just write down he again and put a consonant there. Now cannot run. I have to stand here. I cannot say E. I will stay here and I will say my short sound. Why? Because I have a consonant after me. तो अब ये short sound बोलेगा. क्या बोलेगा? ए. ए. Hen. So ये हो गया closed syllable. ओके समझ में आया व्हाट इज ओपन एंड इफ यू हम बोथ ऑफ द वर्ड्स कितने हम है ही हेन दोनों ही वन हम वर्ड्स हैं वन सिलेबल वर्ड्स नो मोर पार्ट्स द वर्ड हैज नाउ लेट्स डू इट विद द सेकंड वर्ड अब चलो लेट्स राइट डाउन नंबर 2 एंड लेट्स राइट डाउन HI हाय व्हाई इज दिस आई सेइंग हिज नेम क्यों बोल रहा है वो अपना नेम क्योंकि वो भाग सकता है उसके आगे कोई नहीं है उसे रोकने के लिए आई विल रन एंड से माई नेम हाय दिस इज open syllable okay do this and write it once again below ha and then this is open right now but we are going to close it. Which consonant shall I write? I'll write T. So T came and closed I. Now this I will just stand and say its. Which sound will it say now? Short or long?
Short.
Very good.
Short.
It's short sound. So how will you read this word now? Huh? Yes, hit. Closed syllable. Now this is closed. Why do we call it closed? Because the vowel is closed by a consonant. Why do we call it open? Because vowel is open. It can run and say its name. चलिए इसके बाद let's do the next one. This is done. Shall I go to the next page?
Yes, ma'am.
Number 3. Let's try with this one.
Ma'am, I have not learned.
Acha, okay, I'll do it here. Number 3. Let's write down the word. This one.
C.
What is this?
So.
So, very good. Now this is so. So O says, I will run and say my name. Oh, because there is nobody after me. So I can run and say my name. So, lekin when someone comes and stand over there like B. B. What is this letter doing? B is closing O. So now O cannot run and will stand and say its short sound. Now how will you read this word? Short sound and this is long sound. So this becomes so. Read this word now. How will you read this word?
Sob.
Yeah, sob. So which one is open and which one is closed? First one is?
Open. Open. Open.
And the second one is?
Close.
Closed.
No, close.
Very good. Okay, let's do one more. This time we will take, let's take this word. Write down.
D-O.
Okay, let's take D-O, okay? So how do you read? Actually, this is a little different sound, but it's okay. It says the अगर आप ये लिखते हैं, let's not do this word, let's do GO, okay? That will confuse. Yeah. Now, let's read this one. So the vowel O is open. Open, and it'll say, let me run. I will run away, and say, oh, oh. So you read this word as go. Then letter T came and said, I will not let you run away. You are making noise. Let me close your sound, and came and stood over here. So what is O saying now? Is it saying O or is it saying O? O. So I will say my short sound now. O. I'll stand and say O. Got. Okay, देखो उसका माउथ शेप कैसे बनेगा. O. It's like an oval shape. O. 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 Okay, so this one is open and this one is closed. ठीक है? So let's do one more after this. Can I go to the next page?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Let's write down on number 5. Okay, let me write number 5. Let's write down the word she. All right. Now, why do we read it as she? E. क्यों पढ़ते हैं हम इसको ऐसा? Why do we read it with a long sound? Because this is an open syllable. It says E. उसके पास खाली जगह है. It can run and say its name. E. Like that. And when you close it with a consonant, what does it say? It cannot run and say its name now. So it will say its short sound. I will say my short sound now. And my short sound is eh. तो अब ये word कैसे read करेंगे? Read it and tell me. Sh. Ed or sh. Ed. Yeah, it is read as shed. Okay. So these are the 5 words that we practiced to understand that what are open syllables and what are closed syllables. Right? अब आपको समझ में आया कि open syllables क्या होते हैं, closed syllables क्या होते हैं? Okay. And what do open syllables do? अब एक थोड़ा सा ये लिख लेते हैं यहाँ पे about open closed syllables for our knowledge. Ahan, are you there? Even taking class or just camera off, mic off, everything off? Write down.
Ma'am, can you go to the second page? I forgot to write something again.
No, if you turn on your camera, then only I will show you.
I have, ma'am.
Yeah.
Wait, ma'am.
This page?
Yes.
Okay.
No, ma'am. After this, which page?
It was this page, I guess.
This page.
She became shed. So
Yeah.
open, also write down open here. Open and close. This is open and this is closed.
Done.
Done?
Yes.
Now write down open syllable, close syllable on one of the page, or if you have space on the same page. So in open syllable, make these clouds around. What happens? Vowels can say there. अब ये हर बार नहीं होता, but बहुत बार होता है, ठीक है? तो अभी हम सिर्फ वो वाले वर्ड्स देखेंगे जिसमें ये होता है. Vowel says, can लिख लेना. Vowel can say its name, which is the long sound. Okay? And in closed syllables, what happens? Vowel says its short sound. All right. This much only. Now,
Ma'am.
हाँ लिख लो, आराम से लिखो.
Open syllable SYLL syllable vowel can say its name long sound. Done, ma'am.
Done? Okay, how about others?
I'm still writing.
Ma'am, I am still writing.
अच्छा ठीक है. I'm waiting. Once done, let me know. Right, and when you're writing, थोड़ा समझ के करना है. Understand, and then you will write. Don't just copy. Try to understand.
Ma'am, I am not able to understand.
Because your camera was off and you were not concentrating in the class.
I was, ma'am.
फिर बाकियों को कैसे समझ में आ गया, आपको ही नहीं आया? आहान, बताओ. क्या समझ में नहीं आया, बताओ. What is the thing which you have not understood?
The syllables.
The open close syllable समझ में नहीं आया?
No.
Okay, so I will ask somebody to explain you. देखते हैं कौन कैसे explain करता है. तो किस को समझ में आया? Okay, Zidan, got it. Krivish, you understood?
Yes.
Okay, Shlok also. Rayansh also. So Rayansh, can you explain, Ahan, what is open, what is close? Try.
When the vowel says its long sound, it's open.
And when can it say? When can it say its long sound? What is the condition that it says its long sound? When there is nothing after it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So then, and what is a closed syllable?
When
When,
it says short sound.
and when can it say its short sound? When there is a?
When there is a consonant at the side.
After it. Very good. Okay, Ahan. See, I'll explain you once again. So, are we done with this? Everybody's noted this?
No, ma'am.
तो आहान आप पहले लिख लो, जब फिनिश हो जाएगा आप मुझे बताना, ठीक है? Okay,
Yes.
today I don't want to add anything extra to this class because this is something new that we have started. And further rules, whatever rules we are going to do now, we need to understand open close syllables. इसलिए मैम आपको आज ये पढ़ा रही हैं, ठीक है? तो आपको ये समझ में आना चाहिए कि क्या होता है open syllable. क्या होता है?
I'm still writing.
Yeah. So those who are done, um, one second. I'll write some words here. Just a minute. So I will write down some words here. I think he is doing. तो आप एक काम करो, यहाँ पे लिखो open, ठीक है? Make 2 columns और यहाँ पे लिखो closed. Okay, let me give you 5 words. I'll give you just any words. It might not make any meaning, but you have to close them and make meaningful words. 3, 4, 5. Let's practice 5 words. And 5th one I'll write here. I don't have space there. ठीक है, तो मैं यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ. One second. What's the word? Write down.
Okay.
Hmm.
1, 2.
What if I just give you this? Okay, these are open right now. Ju. So what can you add? So आपको यहाँ पे let me do one for you. So you will close it like this. You will put a G. It will become jug. Okay. First one I did for you. Now rest you will try to do it. Open को close में change करना है. Understood? क्या करना है? Open को close में change करना है और एक meaningful word बनाना है. You have to make a meaningful word out of this.
Also have to do this.
Sme. Right now it's open. It's sme. What can you add to it to make it close? Small. What can you do that? Or sma. Okay. Change it into another sound. Next word. Let me give you easy first today. If you have this gi or g, okay, what can you put after it so that it changes to close syllable and makes the short sound? Next. One syllable words. One syllable words. BL. Bl and okay, next is BL and bly. Blee. You have to change it to blee. What can you make with blee sound? You have to close it and change the sound to the short sound. Okay, and this is st. A, stay. So अभी ये सारे syllables open हो गए. ये ऊ बोल रहा है, ये ए बोल रहा है, ये ई बोल रहा है, ये आई बोल रहा है, ये ए बोल रहा है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे ये अ हो गया, jug. So try and change these 4 words into closed syllables. Think how can